Taking a look outside right now, this is that beautiful sunrise that we are seeing. Clear blue skies again today. We still have that high pressure building just off the coast that's bringing those triple digits today here in the valley as well as the desert. And we can expect those triple digits again tomorrow. But thankfully, just in time for the 4th of July, we're going to see a cool down that will start Tuesday into Wednesday for the 4th. So we will be back to seasonal for the holiday. A high of 95 here in Bakersfield. You're looking at a high of 93 in the Kern River Valley, so still pretty warm, but a nice cool down. And in Tehachapi, a high of 83 and sunny. So it's going to be beautiful conditions for the holiday. Unfortunately, we still have a few more days of those triple digits here in the valley. A high of 102, cooling down to those 70s overnight. Tomorrow 100 as well, and then cooling down to 99 on Tuesday. Like I said, we're looking at that high of 95 on Wednesday, and breezy conditions as well. Those 90s sticking around Thursday, Friday, but we're looking at those triple digits again Saturday through Tuesday. So the heat will be back as well. And in the Kern River Valley, a high of 97, cooling down to those 60s overnight. Tomorrow breezy conditions, but still in those mid 90s, and those breezy conditions continue on Tuesday, cooling down to those low 90s. On Wednesday for the 4th, you're looking at breezy and 93 in the Kern River Valley. In Tehachapi, a high of 90, cooling down to those 60s overnight and breezy. Breezy conditions continue tomorrow as well and cool down to those upper 80s, but you're looking at a high of 85 and breezy in Tehachapi for the 4th. And in Fraser Park, a high of 84, cooling down to those 60s overnight, and tomorrow cooling down even more to 82, and then breezy conditions Tuesday through Friday, but you're looking at those 70s and breezy for Wednesday, so that'll be beautiful.
Is Wednesday almost here?
Almost here, yeah.
Well, it's going to be great. I mean, at least folks celebrating 4th of July with the family, around the grill, around the pool and backyard.
Yeah, Mother Nature definitely is having mercy on us and giving us that nice forecast for the 4th.
Give us a little more mercy, Mother Nature, a little more.
Just a little few degrees cooler.
There you go. Thank you so much, Emma. And coming up...